Hello everyone, your Avyukt is back.
Hello Avyukt.
Hi mom.
So today we came to a very special place. What is this place?
MUSEO CAMERA.
MUSEO CAMERA. So are you excited to see lots of different cameras?
Yes.
Yes. We're gonna find out the history of the camera.
Okay.
Let's go. Go inside.
Stop.
It is the making of the MUSEO CAMERA. Let's go inside.
I now entered the camera museum. The cameras inside this museum are more than 200 years old.
Are you excited to see all of
Yes,
them?
they're small. They are tiny, small, and huge as well.
Okay, which is near to you? Can you see that? Can you see that camera?
Old field camera.
What is this camera?
This is old field camera.
Really? It's so big. Can you see this?
Wow. It was used to take long distance.
Look at you. Hmm. Long distance photos, right?
Come on, guys. I will show you one type of camera.
Show me.
Look, a vest pocket Kodak.
Okay.
You know, it's a little small camera. You can push it and put it inside your pocket.
Nice. What is this camera name?
Vest pocket autographic Kodak.
Very nice. Give some more examples which you like the most.
And this one. And this one.
What is this?
Vest pocket Kodak. It's not like this one because it's a little bigger.
Okay.
You see all the cameras from this line are from the company Kodak.
Yes.
It's a very famous company at those times.
Yeah.
I have one more to show you.
Show me.
These two cameras are from the company Sanderson.
Okay.
There's Sanderson regular,
Okay.
it's a regular camera.
Okay.
And there's Sanderson field camera.
Field camera. Okay.
You know, it's like that field camera we saw.
Uh-huh.
Only it's not that huge and low wide.
Yeah.
Shorter version.
Shorter version. Very nice.
There is one fact about all that's common with all these cameras.
What is it?
There's a canvas. You can see in these Sanderson ones and those.
Huh?
They can be folded.
They can be folded.
With the
Yes.
help of those canvas.
Yes. With the help of what?
Canvas.
Canvas. It can be folded. Yes.
And guys, I
Huh?
need to show you something.
Okay.
It's not. You might not think it's an actual camera, but
Mhm.
it is an actual camera.
Okay. Show me.
Lucidia camera. You have to do any pose. Put more people or yourself,
Mm-hmm.
and the photographer has to draw a picture of it
Okay.
with this camera.
Oh, nice.
It has a type of lens that can let you draw.
Really?
And behind you are the inventors of the camera.
The inventors of the
Camera.
camera. Yes. Very nice.
Over the years, all these cameras were big, but they got upgraded so they can run be this big to this big.
Yeah, over the years, the cameras got upgraded from huge to tiny. And look at this one, so tiny. Can you see this?
This is
Baby box. Can you
Yeah, it's a baby box camera.
Yeah.
It's as big as a baseball. This is the baseball, this is the camera.
see?
That's
Nice.
it.
Nice.
You know, some cameras need light to work with the lenses. Projectors.
Yes. Can you see that magic lantern?
Yes. There's even a little light inside. Come. See?
Yeah.
Little light inside.
Little light inside. So, in the beginning, the candles or oil lamps were the only light source available, so which created the very dim projections of the images. So they were eventually replaced by the electric lights and bulbs. Right?
Okay. These all are nothing but projectors.
Projectors,
And
yes.
you were once talking about bulbs. Here are bulbs.
Yes. What is the use of them?
They're used for light.
Light, flash. These all are flash.
Yeah.
Yeah. These all are used for the lighting, right?
Yeah. Some flashlights in old times need these kind of.
Yeah. And what all are these?
And these are light meters.
Light meters. Do you know what is light meters?
Yes.
What is it?
They'll tell us whether it's good for taking photo, a video or not.
Ah, very nice. So, the light meter is a device that helps in measure the amount of light. It helps in determining whether the conditions are suitable for the photo or not, right?
Yes.
Yes. Chalo, let's go and explore some more.
Okay. Dadu. Daddy. Dadu. Daddy. 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 If you take a photo with these kind of cameras, you'll need to have a lens like this.
Yeah, it's a film.
Yeah. You have to put it inside the camera, take a photo, take out the film,
Yes.
and wait for it to develop.
Yeah. So it's such a huge one, right?
Yes, it's very big, very big. Ooh. In the second museum, and I discovered something amazing in there.
What is it? Tell to me.
Follow me.
Okay.
This is the dark room.
Dark room, okay.
You
What?
see, you can put the film inside here,
Okay.
put the paper here,
Mm-hmm.
and it will slowly develop on here. That's called developing.
Ah, nice.
See, my shadow's making it easier to look. And these are few chemicals
That
used
used.
for developing.
Very nice, very nice.
Guys, now I'm standing in front of some of the early 3D cameras.
Early time 3D cameras, all are, right?
Yeah, for example, stereo codec model 1 and codec stereo camera.
So in the current times, what are the brands existing?
Canon and Nikon.
Nikon, right. So,
These two have developed a lot in the current times.
yeah, perfect. What is this?
This company is called Polaroid. Polaroid cameras don't need any negatives, films or such things. It gets instant photo with a click. That's how Polaroid cameras work.
Yes.
This is a big camera. I mean, it's really old.
Such a big one, huge
Yeah.
one.
It's a process camera.
Okay.
At one time there was no color scanners. So
Ah,
we had to process photos.
yeah.
Fun fact.
What is the fun fact?
This camera
Mm-hmm.
fit 10 or 20 me's.
10 or 20?
Me's.
Yeah, it's that huge.
I know. It's really huge.
Yeah. It's...
I see my son. Ah!
It's a bioscope, right?
Yeah. You watch videos in it?
You can watch what?
Film.
Films. See again?
I can see the India gate.
You can see India Gate.
No, it's not India gate. It's the gateway of India in Mumbai.
Try another one.
All three are the same thing.
What is that?
India flag.
India flag.
Yeah.
Can you see the quality?
Yeah.
So clearly visible, right?
Yeah.
Hello.
Hi.
So, you saw all the cameras? How it is?
Really nice.
Really nice. So, what you learned?
That cameras evolved over the year by size and shape.
Yes,
Before
very
they were
good.
very big, now they were little small.
You had fun?
Yes.
Okay. Bye bye.
Well, I got to go.
Say bye.
Bye. Watching. Hope you like my video. Give a like and subscribe. Bye.